We are doing all the very similar questions, and all these similar questions, the trick is all at the minus. Okay, we do A together quickly. Again, when I see this, I should be thinking fraction plus fraction. So fraction plus fraction. Then I go and look at the numerator. Second numerator, I need to bracket them together. Then I start to think about my common denominator. 4 times 3 can become 12. Okay, even before that, 9 and 12. Can you all see that actually 9 and 12 both can be divided by 3? Okay, then we just cancel. Then the already common denominator. We don't need to do multiplication. Okay? Strange, huh? They put the question like that. Then do my expansion. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times y, 3y. Then I need to add 2x and then minus y. Although I add the bracket, but actually this time don't have multiplication. So I just continue, just open the bracket. Plus 2x, then minus y. 3x plus 2x, 5x. Why? Slow down a bit. 9 and 12 both can divide by 3. So I cancel the common factor first. This question got that trick over there lah. Or maybe they choose wrong number. Maybe they wanted you to multiply 3 one. But just nice can cancel. Okay? Once you spot the cancellation, they already common factor. Common denominator. So you can put them together. Numerator plus numerator. So I'm adding whatever is here, then just add 2x, and then add a negative y. Add negative means negative. But if this one is minus, then different story. You must minus 2x, you must minus negative y, so it will become negative 2x plus y. If this one is minus, it will always change the sign. Okay? Okay. Next one. Not done. Okay? While they still copying, those finish, y'all can try part B. Shouldn't be difficult for y'all now. Now all of you should become expert already, adding fractions. Adding is very straightforward. Done. Okay? Okay, so you all try this. Come. 3 minutes. Adding no difficulty one. Done. No. Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, Ari, got thank him or not? He wake you up. Ari, got try or not? Why you just lying there? Page 3. Page 4. 6 part B. Adding two fractions together. Kelly, done. Well done. Okay, those who are faster, start trying C, D, E, F. C and D both minus. So minus must be extra careful. How? All done with B? Arik, done? No, then you're just staring. And this one usually in your exam, it is separated one. It will be a question by itself, 2 mark or 3 mark. So if you are able to do this, you already secure that mark. It will come out in usually paper 1. Okay, part B, can check your answer. Okay, can tell that when it is addition, don't have that trick, don't have the trap for you. Done? Arik, why you just there, your body here, but I don't know, is your mind here or not? Huh? Your what? Cannot hear you. Ugh. Your pen no ink. Wait, you got a pen to lend him or not?
I got green pen. I need
Hands. Playing with your word with me. Word play. How, Nazif, are you able to do? Huh?
I don't know if I need to plus or not.
20 and 5. You want to find a common lowest common multiple. So how to make 20 and 5 the same? We need to multiply 5 by 4. Okay?
Like, how do you know if you need to divide this one just now?
9 and 12. When we can cancel, we always cancel to make it smaller first, the number. So I cancel already. Just nice it is 4. Because both can be divided by 3. Whenever can cancel, cancel first. Make the number simpler.
Yes.
Done. Amira, are you able to do? Or you were talking all the whole time? Why you close your book?
I was trying to find something.
Why? Why you have to find something during math lesson? Huh?
I lost it just previously.
I also lost mine.
Why? Why you all keep losing things one?
I don't know why.
Don't know where it went
Yeah, I was like this morning. Then I carried
this
it.
morning.
This is it. Oh, you said was there. Check class off.
How? Oral?
Teacher,
Can?
look, 6, 7.
Ah.
6, 7.
6, 7 is so 2025 leh. Now 2026 already. Why you so outdated? How, Xingning, are you able to do? What careless mistake? Oh. Okay, we move on. Those who haven't catch up yet, go back, refer to the video. We have to move a bit faster. Okay, the next one is more likely to come out. Wait yet. Why are you all still talking? Part C is more likely to come out because it is minus. So, same. Just find common denominator first. And don't expand first. Okay? Combine. Minus, still minus. Then you need to minus the entire numerator. So you copy the entire numerator. Then it will help you, remind you, when you do your expansion, you are minusing everything. You are minusing 3 times 3x. So negative 3, positive 3x, negative 9x. Negative 3, positive 5y, negative 15y. Must remember this sign is going to change. Who call me? Okay? This minus here is where the trap is. They want you to write plus. You write plus, you wrong already. Okay? It's very obvious one. At this point, the setter want you to write plus. So you must know you have to change sign because of the minus 3. Okay? 12x minus 9x, still have 3x, minus 15y. Okay? So you are able to change this sign, you are better than 80-90% of the students already. Okay, D. Amira, what is the first thing to do? Or you still looking for things? Not looking anymore. So what's the first thing to do? Bracket first, okay? Okay? Then after that, common denominator. 9 times 4, 9 times 5 will give you 45. So times 5 to the numerator. So 5 multiply numerator minus okay, if there's any step that you all want to don't write one, then the second line you can don't write. You can straight away put them together into one fraction because you already know your common denominator is 45. So if you really want to save a step to not write, then you skip the second step. You don't need to write two separate fractions. You can straight away go to the third step. One common denominator, but still don't expand. The whole numerator minus the whole numerator. Okay? So this one, if you don't want, you really want to save your ink, you can don't write this step. But I will suggest you to just write. Next. Then I do my expansion. 5 times 8x, all positive. So positive 40x. 5 times 8y, all positive. 40y. Then we are subtracting everything inside the bracket. So subtract 2 times of 6x. Negative, positive, negative. Subtract 2 times of negative y. So negative, negative, it will change your product to positive 2y. Because minus 2 and minus y. Minus minus become positive. So this plus 2y here is the trap. This is where the setter want you to write minus 2y. This is for you to show that you know minus 2 minus y, it will become positive 2y. Nazif, are you following? You write finish, but if it's wrong, no use. 40x minus 12x, 28x. 40y plus 2y, 42y. How? Did you all get this correct? Did you all change the 2y to become positive 2y? That is the difficulty. One more, last one. F. The plus 2 easy already lah. And exam won't come out plus 1, sure come out minus 1. Okay? 6 and 8. Think a bit. If you don't think a bit, you may straight away 6 times 8, 8 times 6. Then you will become 48. But 6 and 8, there is a smaller common multiple. 6, 12, 18, 24. 8, 16, 24. So 24 is enough already. Okay? So to get 24, here times 4, times 4, here times 3, times 3. Okay? If I have 4 multiplied to the numerator, 4 times 11 times the bracket. So I can do 4 times 11 first. 4 times 11 is 44. So I don't open my bracket. I just multiply the numbers outside first. Minus is still minus. 24. 3 multiply bracket. So I can work out 3 times 3 first. 3 multiply 3 is 9. Then the bracket is still a bracket. I don't open first. Then put together the entire numerator minus the entire numerator. Then I do my expansion. 44 times 2y, 88y. 44 times negative x minus 44x. Then the difficulty come. Minus 9 times bracket. I must minus everything inside the bracket. So negative 9, positive 7x. Negative, positive, negative. Second term. Negative 9, negative 4y. Negative times negative, positive. 9 times 4y, 36y. So the trap is at 36y. You must remember to change from minus to plus. Okay? Then 88y plus 36y, 118, 124. Minus 44, minus another 63, minus 107x. How everyone? Can Arik wake up already? Okay, Ken? Jarius, finish? Okay. Usually you are the one who say wait, so you okay means okay. Okay. Now we want to go and do something totally not the same. Worksheet 1B. Solving equation. The keyword here is solve. What is solving equation? Wake it! I want to talk already. Okay. Fiona, I want to talk already. The next topic is solving equation. Norel. Okay. I don't care who. Both stop. No. Hello, can we continue? Okay. I want to solve equation means I want to find out what is the value of an unknown. But I won't, out of the blue, suddenly know what is the unknown. Like now I ask Wei Kiet, what is x? What is x? What is the value of x? What number should be x? He wouldn't know. Of course he wouldn't know. Jingyi, what is the value of x? There's no way to know. But then if you have an equation, if now you have an equation, from this equation, what this equation is telling you is 2 times x is the same as 6. So from that equation, you can deduce what is x. Haiteng, what is x? What is x? What is the value of x?
3.
It must be 3. Because 2 times 3, then it will be equals to 6. Then left and right will be the same. Aurel and Tiara. Now I want to explain, you're talking. Then next time you still don't know what is solving equation. Okay, solving equation again is finding the value of an unknown. But out of the blue, you will not suddenly know the value. So to help you find the unknown, in this case, I want to find x. The equation is there to help you find out what is the value of x. So what equation is telling you, in this simple equation, it is telling you 2 when I multiply x is the same as 6. This equation is telling you this. 2 times x is the same as 6. So from this equation, I can deduce, I can work out what is this unknown value of x. So for this equation, just by looking, I should be able to tell. The value of x should be 3. Because 2 times 3, I know 2 times 3 ma, 2 times 3 is 6 ma. So if I want 2 times, if I want to know 2 times what will give me 6, x must be 3 lah. Okay? But when our equation get more complicated, then you cannot straight away tell. For example, hey, enough again, you also go there. Your equations can become more complicated. Equation is the clue given to you. So this time round, it is hard for me to straight away know. Aurel, I think you also move. One of you move. I don't care, 2 of you separate. I don't want you all to be talking. When I'm explaining, I don't want you all to be talking. This is the reason why you all come to lesson, after that still don't know. There are times when you should be listening, trying to understand. Okay? Solving of equation means you are finding out the value of an unknown. But without any information, you won't be able to solve what is that unknown, what is should be the number. So equation is the clue given to you. When I have 2x equals to 6, it is a clue. What should be my x? My x must be 3 because 2 times 3, then I can get 6. Then, if the clue is 2x minus 7 equals to 5, it is harder to straight away x must be equals to what from the equation itself. So from this clue, we need to deduce, make the clue even more obvious. Naura, are you okay? We need to make new clue ourselves. And how we make new clue ourselves? If the left hand side is the same as the right hand side, I can continue to write the next equation to make the left and the right the same. As long as I do the same thing, left hand side I add 5, right hand side I also add 5, then what is the same will still be the same. That is the idea. I need to write more clue for myself. So in this case, I want to write the next clue. I will add 7 to both sides. When I add 7 to both sides, what happened? 2x minus 7 plus 7. It will disappear. Minus 7 plus 7 becomes 0. But I want to add 7, I must do the same thing to the right hand side, so that they are still equal, they are still the same. So when I manage to write this clue, then I simplify. 2x must be equals to 12. Then from this new clue that I write, it is more obvious already. What should be my x? 6. Okay? Or, if I still cannot tell, I can write the next clue. For the next clue, I will divide both sides by 2. I want to divide my left hand side by 2 because 2x divided by 2 become x. Then if I do the same thing to the right, then my next clue become, both divide by 2, not 6. So, my next clue will become 12 divided by 2, 6. Then this time my clue itself is the answer because x is 6. And it is the solution. Okay? So when I'm solving equation, I always want to write equation. Kelly, sleeping. I want to write equation based on the old equation. When I write the equation, I can write until x is on one side, number is on the other side. That is the solution already. It's a new clue until it's a solution. X is 6. So this idea of solving equation is always the same. Don't change one. So even now when you have your equation more complicated, you come to set 2. So first question, 1 over 6x is equals to 3. What it means is no different. They are asking you what it should be the value of x. And this is the clue. 1/6 times x must be equals to 3. Okay? So for those of you who are faster, you know what divided by 6 can give you 3. Then that is your answer already. But if like me, I'm slower, I don't know. But I know that if I continue to write equation, until x on one side, number on another side, I can get my answer. So how can I go left hand side? 1 over 6 times x. How can I make it x? I want to cancel away the denominator, the 6. If I can cancel away the denominator 6, I have 1x. I get my answer already. So, I want to multiply 6 to the left. Because my 6 will cancel away the 6. Okay? So I choose this 6 to multiply 1. I want to multiply 6 because on the left I want to make it 1x. But because I multiply 6, I must multiply the same thing on the right. Because I'm writing out the next clue, I am writing out the next equation. Left still is the same as the right. Okay? Then when I simplify, 6 and 1 over 6x. 6 and 6 cancel. I am left with x. Wow, fly so long. Okay, one more thing. When you practice enough time, you will find that it actually looks like my 6 was originally the denominator. So at first, this is x divided by 6. Okay? Then when I write the next line, it looks like my 6 cross the equal sign, become multiply. So at first, this is x divided by 6. Divide by 6. When we bring it to the other side, when it cross the equal sign, divide 6 become times 6. It is similar to your, if you have x plus 2 equals to 4, then the next line, when my 2 cross the equal sign, positive become negative. Okay? Or if I have x minus 3 equals to 5, when I bring the minus 3 across, it will become plus 3. So it is a bit like working reverse like that. Whatever you plus, you bring across the equal sign, it become minus. Whatever you minus, you bring across the equal sign, it become plus. Plus 2, jump over, become minus 2. Minus 3, go over, become plus 3. Then when we are dividing, x divided by 6, the divide 6 cross become times 6. Okay? Then also like your 3x equals to 6. If I only want x, it looks like my times 3 cross become divide by 3. Okay? So this is how we move the numbers around in an equation. But if you cannot straight away remember, you always go back to your basic. It is because I do the same thing. Okay? Let us look at one more question. This time round, 2x over 5. 2/5 x is the same as 2x over 5. Okay? 2 times x, then divide by 5. No! Okay, no homework today. But go back, make sure you look through your worksheet 1A, able to understand where change sign.